Network Entertainment.
Kamusta kayo, mga kawalang edit-edit? Ako nga pala si Leland Lim at ngayon, hindi ako mag-i-English. Kasi kailangan natin iba-balance out dapat sabihin ko. Kailangan nating timbangin ang katagalugan at kakonyohan sa episode na to. If hindi nyo alam, konyo si Jad.
Surprise.
At ngayon, nagdagdag pa ako ng isa pa.
You're outnumbered, bro.
Kasi,
It's 2-on-1.
Anong Tagalog ng na-overpower?
Natambakan?
Hindi.
No way!
Nasosobrahan na ang kakonyohan.
Yo, if I got that right, I would have been so proud. Like, whoa!
At dahil nga, isang sikat sa Konyoverse community, ang aming Tagalog ng guest.
Guesto.
Bakit ka nag-hirapan?
I don't know, man.
Magaling ka sa Tagalog.
Huwag mo na pilitin.
Pero eto na. I-introduce siya ng aking companion na si Jad.
What's up, broskies? We are in for a treat. Our guest today, you may have seen him as a viral star on your TikTok pages, on your reels. He is a host, model, commercial talent, content creator, and he's also a video director. You may know him as Sponge Bro, and you... Exactly. You may know him as the mall connoisseur. I'm just making that up now.
Connoisseur.
Trademark it.
Put that in there.
He calls himself, and I also agree, he is a professional fun haver and a multi-purpose artist. You may know him as Rocco Bell. Please give it up for the one, the only Rocco Ruiz.
Woo!
Thank you.
How are
As
you, my
said,
boy?
like, creatives are very awkward with accepting compliments. So
Yeah. How was that though?
Topic change.
Do we
How
need
was
to,
Jud's
do we need to add more?
introduction and the honoraries that you've
Grab,
heard?
I forgot I did some of those things. So like, or some of those things I only did once. Pero let's slide
It's in
that
the
in
resume.
there.
It's in the resume.
It's in there.
I forgot to add nga, to me kasi as a
Yeah.
Konyo myself, this is a special moment for me because
Okay.
you are definitely, Rocco, if I may say so myself, a pillar of Konyo excellence.
Totoo.
Pillar
Sa
of Konyo
Konyo
excellence.
culture here in the Philippines.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, if we were to compare it to black culture. Uh-oh.
Sige, sino siya?
Uh-oh.
Sino siya?
Easy there, buddy.
Kung kaya,
Oh, it's getting,
sa black culture,
Sige nga.
sino si Ra? Sino yung
it's
equivalent?
getting delicate. Definitely ikaw si Barack Obama, man.
God damn!
I'm the first, like,
You were
colored Konyo?
color.
what?
You are
First non-white Konyo?
Barack gave representation, I think, to his people, the African Americans.
I am here.
In a certain space. While the same way you gave Konyos a representation as likable, as you know, not always the butt of not always the obnoxious
Yes.
kind of Konyo in the mainstream space like TikTok.
Are you sure you're not just saying that because like there's Araco in Barack Obama?
Na,
I don't know.
gago, kailangan mo na gawing
Is
character
that-
yun.
Konyo
Barack Obama. God damn.
No, but actually, you know the whole reason why I started that Konyo like series? It was supposed to be a one-off, like one video ever, kind of Konyo bit. But it ended up giving birth to so many other videos because of the comments, and it ended up being like 100+ Konyo.
Anong character
skits.
yan?
My very first Konyo skit, because for a while I was like trying to like find my voice on TikTok. I was doing extremely Western humor. Like, you know, I'm like
I get it.
I am like brainwashed by YouTubers like Smosh and Ryan
Oh,
Higa. So like I just wanted to be the next them basically. And di ko rin na-localize yung humor. And then I would see like a lot of TikToks in 2021 specifically making fun of Konyos but in a bad light. I'm like,
Right.
di naman kami ganyan eh. Or like, that's like the whole reason why people hate Konyos because of like characters like this. So I thought like, why not make hopeless romantic Konyos? So instead of like F-boys, they're like really like hopeless romantics.
Right. Medyo self-deprecation.
Self-deprecation,
But in a
also
charming way.
glorification.
Eh,
You know what I mean?
ah.
I'm saving myself by making fun of myself. You know what I mean?
It's acceptable.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
And like making them less of the villain and more of just the like
Right.
comic relief. imbis
Now
na
I see it.
antagonist. Yeah.
Now I see it. You're
It's
not only making fun of yourself, but you're also trying to make them see what a Konyo's perspective really is.
Yeah, it's like I'm a Konyo apologist, basically.
Right.
Ganda
Tama.
nun, ganda
By
nun.
that logic, oo.
Because like I'd like to think like Konyo's not new. Oh my gosh, Konyo humor. Kahit nung high school pa tayo, may mga YouTube videos na about being Konyo, right? But like I think in the TikTok generation, I was just so like I couldn't shut up about it that eventually it kind of became my identity.
Having said that,
Yes, po.
pwede ba nating i-discuss yung different kinds of Konyos? Kasi
Yes.
naiinis na ako. Bigla ako natatawag na Konyo online eh.
Yeah.
Pero I don't think so.
Yeah.
Like, I just speak Taglish, English minsan. Pero that doesn't mean na Konyo ka eh.
It depends kasi who you're comparing yourself
Yun nga,
like,
so,
with.
Can you like give different levels of Konyonism?
Dude, I think like, okay, if you're being talked to by someone who's like straight up diretso mag-Tagalog and like nosebleed level Tagalog.
Bleed
for us,
level.
you know, it's like just speak one English word, they'll be like, konyo.
Gago. Tama.
Or just say like parang, ay, konyo. The alarm sounds off. But like, I think the first Konyos ever, like the Jurassic Konyos.
They're primordial
Yeah.
Konyos.
Yeah, like the amoeba, the germ Konyos were like, they're just basically the spoiled rich kids of like our parents' generation, I think. And they were called Konyo as like, kind of like a derogatory term. Like,
Look at this guy.
you know what I mean?
Oh, I'm getting offended now. Because
Diniscribe lang natin si Judd.
Oh, you are a spoiled rich kid.
I don't.
He
I
is.
did not
I
grow
mean-
up rich.
You know, like when I was starting to watch stand up at Moe's, like you and Judd were there actually, and then like Judd's whole bit was like, he's a Yaya's boy.
Yeah.
And I was like, I found that so funny, and like, okay, I didn't really grow up with a Yaya, but at one point, you know.
So
all
you
of us-
didn't have a yaya.
I would say we had like when I was in grade school, like household help.
Okay.
Like someone to help us
Right.
clean up the house.
General lahat. Hindi siya personal yaya.
Hindi siya parang nanny.
Yeah.
My mom did not want to have that for
So
us.
your yaya didn't like pat you when you were a baby to go to bed?
No,
Like,
man, I had to pat myself on the back. No, hindi naman. But like, I think I'm the eldest boy of like a family full of girls, which explains like kind of like
Ilan
my
kayo?
affinity. 4.
Four
I had to
kayo.
count to be sure. Yeah, 4. People I've been with my whole life.
And
4.
then, pang ilan ka?
I am the panganay,
And
then
the
rest
only
are
boys.
girls. And the rest
Damn.
are girls. In a way, it's so funny how like since I'm outnumbered, in a way I was raised by my little sisters. So like that's why I guess that's where the whole hopeless romantic like soft boy energy
Right.
comes from.
Yun yung culture mo.
Yeah, if you like dissect like why is he like this? Why is he like this? It's not performative, okay? I was
It's-
just raised by women. That's why.
It's real.
It's real.
It's not a character.
You performative boys give us a bad rap. I'm
That's
just
true.
saying. Yeah.
Wait lang, okay. Ano yung
My
take mo?
culture is not a costume, okay?
That's right.
Yeah.
Their culture is not your costume.
Don't call yourself a Swiftie if you don't really know all of her albums, okay?
Dude, that's how I feel about Claro, man. I really honestly been listening to Claro for years. And then suddenly when you listen to it, it's a performative thing pala.
I know.
Tsaka
Okay,
matcha.
what is a performative male for you?
I think a performative male is basically like the Gen Z wolf in sheep's clothing, right?
Okay,
It's
okay.
like he sees what girls like, and that's why he will like it.
And he will trap them by dressing
Yeah.
up like...
So yung perfectly,
a soft
nasum up
boy.
mo yun lahat in one sentence.
Yeah, it's like he's studying what will trick them into liking me. Meanwhile, ako,
Tama
okay,
na.
this is my counter argument, my debate for everyone who's ever pointed out like I'm a performative male or whatever. I'm like, because the main thing is I was always a Swiftie.
Right,
'Cause,
right.
like, okay, I'll admit it. Here's the part where I'm kind of a guy. First, I found her hot, so I was like, let's listen to her music. I was like, oh, I love her music. And then that's what made me like think, okay, I'm a Swiftie now. And then the reason why I'm not a performative Swiftie, because literally 100% of my exes hated Taylor Swift. And I was the
Oh.
Swiftie in the relationship.
Ang weird nun that the guy is the one who loves Taylor Swift. Kasi most of the time, girls
It's the
yung may
girl.
gusto.
And the boyfriends are dragging their feet to the Taylor
Oo.
Swift concerts. Diba? Meanwhile, I was like, oh my gosh, 1989 just dropped. I had to stream it today. And my girlfriend at the time was like, why did I end up with a
That's
male Swiftie?
weird.
You know what I mean?
Oh my. Also, it's funny how you described her boobs as music. Parang, you said you love her music.
I think she's the wrong example for in that department. No offense to Mother
okay.
Taylor.
Oh, I guess I'm not a real Swiftie.
What would you have to say to the staplers? who are listening right now.
Staplers? Are you
Yes.
saying what do you mean by staplers?
Uh,
Is that like a
Yeah,
derogatory-
please elaborate kung ano ang
Okay.
stapler.
Oh wait,
dyan.
this is from a previous episode. Yeah.
Yes. What do you call this? Just I am referring to a previous take wherein I said na I view all women as staplers so that I don't
Hangers,
get
folders.
attracted to them.
Laps.
Extension cords. But thankfully, the people here like Leland and walang edit, as if we have a team, no? They've corrected me. So now I also view males as staplers.
Yes.
Also, everyone has to be inanimate objects. It's like
Ah.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, like
basically.
Equal dapat
Okay.
lahat.
Yeah, like if you're attracted to boys, but you want to be loyal to your boyfriend,
Yeah.
view other men. View Brad Pitt as the most handsome guitar ever.
I
Yeah.
kind of get what you were
Sarap
trying to say.
gitarahin ni Brad Pitt.
Gitarahin. Okay, I kind of get what Judd was trying to say though by that point. Because when I was watching the reel, I was like, you know what? He has a point. It's not.
Thank you!
It's not that.
The one person who
Oh my
agrees
God.
out of the 200 comments.
I'm not gonna be a Judd apologist here, but I see your point. It's like
My Konya leader.
it's not that you view them as that, but you will interact with them as if they are that.
As if they are that.
You know what I mean? Like I would say, like
Okay.
you can still be taken and attracted to someone, but don't act as if you're attracted to them.
Yes, and my
You know what I mean.
piggyback.
Don't act as if you're not attracted. Oh,
No,
sorry,
I mean,
sorry.
Don't,
Don't
yeah,
act
don't act.
that
Okay,
you're
let's say
attracted.
fresh sentence, fresh new sentence.
Okay.
Let's say you have a girlfriend, right?
Okay.
And
Or boyfriend.
Or boyfriend.
This
Par-
could
you have a
be
partner.
this could be used on
Or
guys.
you're a throuple.
Yeah,
Alright.
you have a romantic commitment basically to a person or persons. Dude, you're not like banned from being attracted to other people.
Yep.
Like you won't turn into a Mormon as soon as you're like with this person, right?
Yes.
But don't start acting like you're attracted to people now that you're taken. You know, like for example, you're attracted to this woman you just met, but you already have a girlfriend. Huwag mo naman landiin or say, ang ganda mo, ganda
Yes,
mo.
yes.
Don't
Exactly
be like that.
my point.
that stapler.
You're a stapler to me. Even if I know you're hot, you're attractive, I'm not
You're-
gonna do anything.
Okay, here,
what I say is
here's-
they're a well-designed stapler. They're a good looking
You're a well-designed stapler. I will never
a good looking microwave.
Yes, exactly.
But
meron
I
mga
won't fuck a
plastic na
microwave.
stapler lang yung maliliit. And then meron mga shiny, long
Oh, dude.
staplers.
yes, but you will never like do anything that
so
will cross
not
the
right.
boundaries of your relationship with that stapler.
And I want to piggyback on
I get
this.
it.
Yeah.
Wait lang, hold on.
Oh, yeah,
Before
yeah.
that,
I'm trying to defend you already, man.
here's the thing.
Then I ruin it, no?
It's the level that matters dito sa discussion na to eh. So ito yung attraction.
Yeah.
This is the line of attraction. Ito yung border na okay, attracted ka sa lahat ng tao. Ayan. Attracted ka sa lahat ng tao. The moment you cross this, it comes across actions na.
Kung action
Yes.
world
Or
na.
words,
Oh.
words, kahit words.
Manya ka na dito.
Don't do even the words.
Yeah.
Not even words.
Like,
yeah.
miss, ang sexy mo, pawak puwet, mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Ayun, bastos ka na dito. Pero yung level of attraction dito sa side na to, attracted ka lang sa kanila. It's being human.
Yes,
You have
exactly.
feelings. Di ba?
I think it's gonna be somewhat like Revenge of the Sith. Okay.
Whoa, okay.
Like, you know how he tried so hard not to be a Sith that he became a Sith?
That he became a Sith.
Oh shit, if
So-
you try too hard, it might
Or he,
backfire.
no, he tried so hard to
He
save
did those
Padme.
students wrong.
Exactly. Okay, the vision was he didn't want Padme to die, right? And by avoiding it too
Right.
hard, he killed her.
He killed her.
So, like for example, if you try so hard not to be attracted to a woman because you have a girlfriend, eventually it's gonna like explode and be like,
And
"Yo."
then I'll fuck a stapler.
Yes, exactly, and you're
Goddamn.
gonna bleed out to death.
He killed prime Natalie Portman.
Yeah. So like I think you're okay. It's okay to be attracted to someone. Just don't act on it. Even with
Yeah.
your words, don't act on it. Don't even be liking her bikini pics in her.
I
IG
agree with
stories,
that.
Okay,
I agree with
That's
that.
cheating in
Okay.
my opinion.
I agree
That's
with that.
cheating. Like if you're liking
Kinikilig ang
someone's
puta.
exactly. Okay.
I like this guy.
It's like okay. This is like a minefield I had to navigate through because before I got into a relationship, I was kind of like
You didn't know better.
getting more and more female friends just because it's
Okay.
safe to be friends with a taken guy versus a
You
a single
really?
guy.
You think so?
I'd say it's easier for girls to be friends with a single guy than a taken guy because the girlfriend's always hovering the taken guy. You know?
That's
Meanwhile,
interesting.
single guy is just like a rogue. He's like just a guy. And
You know, here's my thing.
Medyo predictable yung
Dun
single
sa
guy.
take na yun. I think that
kaso lang,
your
baka
security-
baka bangers ka dun.
oh yeah,
Baka
pwede.
bangers ka dun.
Also,
Yeah.
yung security level mo, if you are taken and you're still hanging out with the opposite sex,
Yeah.
I mean, yung security level mo sobrang taas.
Yes, actually.
Na parang, okay, I don't mind. I don't need to be there for my boyfriend or girlfriend.
No, actually, oh my gosh, here's this new rule, like internal rule I realized because I've been like single for 5 years, and the last time I had a girlfriend was like wala pang dating apps. So
Talaga?
it's like a long time ago. So now that I'm taken again, I'm realizing like, shit, you know what? Now that I am taken, there's no need to explore new deep friendships with the opposite sex. Friendships, sure.
But
I
not
don't need
too
a new
deep.
female best friend. I
Yeah.
already have those.
Yeah.
And like, why will I need a new one? Because there might be like doubt, like, is she really just my friend?
Yeah, yeah.
So like, even like with my girlfriend, I'm like, it's not that I'm a toxic male who's like, bawal ka magka-male friends. No, I'm not like that. It's more like, I don't think you need a new...
no new friends.
No new male
Day
best
ones
friend.
only.
Yeah, day ones. Like prior to me, keep those friends. New friends, I'm like, they haven't passed the vibe check. I'm not sure about their intentions.
Do they like SpongeBob?
Yeah, do they like SpongeBob? What's their favorite episode? Okay, that's
Yeah.
telling.
Wait, although if I may kindly play devil's advocate, isn't that kind of a bit controlling though? If ever you have any sort of input on what your girlfriend does in terms of friendships.
I wouldn't say I'll control her. Oh my gosh, if my girlfriend's listening, we've talked about this like 1,000 times.
You have a convo na lang.
Yeah, I think 1,000 times. It's not controlling and just like saying what you're comfortable with. 'Cause it's like
that's fair.
okay, I'm not telling you to not do this, but I'm telling you if you do this, I'll feel weird about it.
Yep.
Okay, and then
Yep.
it's up to her to
It's up to her. If you want to do it, then I'll just say I'll be transparent. Like I feel weird, but okay, go ahead. I'm not your boss. Yeah, and eventually, I think that's
very
when you
healthy.
find out you're like not a match. You're like, okay, I'm uncomfortable with things that are totally normal.
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah, different values
Security
kayo.
levels matter.
Yeah,
Like, how secure are you sa pagtrato niya sa'yo?
exactly.
Yeah. Makikita ba niya sa mall with other, female friends, new friends, ganyan. Speaking of malls.
Oh,
Yeah,
malls.
ganda.
Segue.
Hindi ko sinadya yun, by the way.
It just
That's
happened.
how good he is.
Nangyari
That's why
lang.
his name
just
is on the
happened.
TV.
Sorry. So, by the way, before ng recording na to, nagkita kami ni Rako, I think a week ago.
Of all places.
Of all places, nagkita kami sa Siang.
Adonis. Ay, sorry.
Yeah,
I
later
mean,
on na yun.
That was after Shank.
Nighttime.
Sumayaw ako.
You tipped well.
I was throwing a few like
Bariya, ang lamig eh.
Yeah.
Ang lamig sa underwear. Pero speaking of malls, kasi I saw your content. Actually, like kung nakikita yung mall content mo. It's very interesting kasi never in my life would I expect someone to personalize malls.
Yes.
Ang ganda nga.
Ikaw lang yung gumawa nun. And it's very, tawag dito, it's very, not only consistent, but very specific to each brand of their target market.
I know. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm not cosplaying as the mall. I'm cosplaying as their target market.
As their target market.
yeah.
What kind of people go to that mall?
Yeah, what kind of people would love that mall,
Yeah.
basically. And you know what's so funny is that like I did not intend ulit. It's just like the Konyo verse all over again. It's like I did not intend to make this like a series. It's like one-off video, but it did so well that I'm like, okay, what's part 2? What's part 3? What's part 4? And it's just a very like relatable niche that I didn't know could exist.
Okay.
Because like when I made it, I was like, okay, my friends will get a giggle out of this. But I didn't know, okay, I forgot. One of the most popular things in the entire Philippines is malls. It's kind of like more popular than our beach destinations.
Totoo.
Yes.
Go to. Like, naka-allot yung Saturday or Sunday nyo as a
Malls.
family for fucking malls.
I know.
I mean,
not
for
fucking
malls, not
but
fucking them.
at
Well,
malls,
you're going inside
You're
them.
going in the technically you
yeah.
are.
You are
You're
fucking the mall.
You're
penetrating
going in
the
and out of the
entrance.
mall.
Yeah, you're fucking Mega A and Mega B.
You're walking out
Building
with...
D. Don't
Building
forget
D. Building D. Sorry.
Building D. You're fucking Building D.
Yeah.
You walk out feeling
Wait,
better.
Sa
yeah.
lahat ng malls na ginawan mo ng content, I have to ask this one question.
Okay.
Because I think, nasabi ko din to kay Judd. Yung Star Mall,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What about Star?
He has a pickle.
and also...
What's your pickle with Star Mall?
Wait, I saw the comments.
Okay.
I was looking for that. Someone's gonna say this.
I can't be the only one.
Someone's gonna say this. And then there's this one guy, sabi niya, come on bro, we all know Star Mall wouldn't even talk like that.
But oh my gosh, you know what I didn't know? I was like accidentally setting up the sequel skit. to that.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Because like, okay, like, I didn't
shit.
intend for it to be a problem. It's just Englishero ako, kaya the characters speak English. That's
yeah,
why.
hindi mo magagawa
Yeah.
properly pag hindi mo pinlay sa totoong ikaw.
You did
Yeah.
the best with your power.
So, like, I
Right.
tried my best. And then there were like actually hundreds of comments sa TikTok about di naman marunong mag-English si Star Mall eh.
Okay.
99
then-
of them were from Leland also.
Oh, that's all Lilan's troll accounts.
Yeah.
Bots.
Guys, it's time. Punta kayo sa...
So like in that with all those Star Mall comments, I was like, okay, so part 2, I'm gonna explain why he spoke English. So in the part 2 of that video, I just said like the reason why Star Mall is like speaking English was para
Yeah.
hindi mag-nosebleed si Shang.
Napanood ko to.
Yeah, that's it.
Napanood.
And then I was like, this is the entry point for St. Francis. So St. Francis is
Square.
St. Francis Square is gonna be like, ay, konyo ka na pala, Star Mall, ha?
Ah, yeah.
And then like Star Mall is like, hindi kasi kung nagtagalog ako, baka mag-nosebleed si Shang. Eh.
Code switching lang, bro.
Yeah, and then that's when Shang is like, oh my gosh, don't Shang.
Gusto
me.
niyo ba marinig kung ano talaga yung boses ni Star Mall?
Yeah, what is these? No, I'd say he's just like very. This is not derogatory. It's just a colloquial term. I'd say he's very
Yeah.
canto
I mean,
vibes. You know.
Yeah, you know, pagod siguro sa work.
Yeah, but he's like
sasakay ng
GV
van.
naman. GV. He's like not. He doesn't like think too deeply about everything. He's just like vibing, coasting through life.
Vibing lang siya.
I think that's
May
Star Mall.
CDR King headphones.
Yeah,
Yeah, listening to I don't
Ages. I love Ages. You know, I love Ages.
Ages.
It's classic. It's
Bon
classic.
Jovi.
Yeah.
Ano
the,
yan?
the typical like 80s
Magkaon
ballads.
muna ako sa McDo.
Okay,
Sabi
there we
80s
go.
ballads. That's Star
And
Mall.
then
That's
that's Star Mall. Yeah.
And the funny thing is, he's right beside Shang.
Oo
Which is,
nga
like,
eh.
The location is so funny. And like pareho pa silang parang, I think there's an MRT stop.
Pero yung pila, nasa Star Mall lang. Kahit anong klase ng... Kahit anong market ka.
You
whether
go through.
konyo ka, tawag dito, kanto boy ka,
Passageway kasi siya eh.
dun ka pipila sa Star Mall.
Yeah.
Kasi
You
yun
have
lang,
no choice.
walang iba.
The
Yeah.
great equalizer siya.
Unless may kondo ka
Exactly.
sa Rockwell.
Which is
Hindi
a whole different
Which is a whole different
community.
scenario.
Would you guys ever do like a stitch na he'll play like a mall that does like a Bisaya accent?
I think Rocco's gonna get canceled if ever that happens.
His followers
I
won't be
shift-
ready.
If I shift accountability to Leland, okay, game.
Malamang ako yung dudumugin.
He'll drop him like a hot
If you do
potato if may cancellation.
Ang gagawin ko lang, magje-jersey lang ako, walang sleeves. Magka-cup ako,
Oh my gosh,
bakabaligtad.
that's my St. Francis character. basically.
Talaga ba?
Lakers jersey siya.
Oh shit, yeah!
But it says
Naalala ko na.
it says fakers because it's a spoof shirt.
Okay.
Bibili
And then,
lang siya ng
backward
DVD.
cap. Yeah, or like
Alam mo yun?
kicks na 300 pesos lang na Jordans, diba?
Boss, class A ba yan? Class,
Yeah, class
E.
Class A.
I don't even know this mall, to be honest.
God damn.
Saint Francis.
back then-
I thought that was a church.
I think it's mostly a church, but I had to pass through it back in the day. I was a podium kid, always in podium, and like when my friends would want to go to Mega Mall, you pass through St. Francis Square.
Okay.
So that was my like entry point into knowing, oh, this is St. Francis Square.
Ang weird. Kasi, does it still exist? Wala na,
I don't
diba?
know. The
St.
last-
Francis.
Is it still there?
I was there in 2010. The last time I was there, I don't know.
We
if it's
gotta
Alam
do
ko
a
wala
check.
na eh.
A
Yeah.
proof of life.
Kasi, overpass na lang siya ngayon. Like, walkway na lang siya ngayon.
I
diba?
just still see the logo though. It's so prominent. The colorful
the
F.
Yellow.
Yeah, the red,
blue, red,
green,
red,
the
green
very
ba yun?
colorful F. Right
Parang
beside
gateway.
Mega Mall. Exactly.
Gateway colors.
It's gateway coded, St. Francis Square.
Would you say podium? You mentioned you're a podium kid. Would you say
Yeah.
that's your spirit mall? Because I believe
Spirit.
yeah, I
mall.
believe everyone. At least if you grew up in a place with lots of malls like Manila,
Yeah, Ortigas.
you'll have a childhood mall.
Sige.
That will be
is
your
that
spirit mall
I
for
think
life.
my spirit mall, and this does not reflect my social status in life. It's just like
You relate.
what I was
or-
Come on, it
surrounded by.
does. It does.
I really like Power Plant and Shang. Like, and that's why
Damn.
in my skits they're like twins. Because
I'm
like they're like kind of the same vibe, exactly the same audience.
Mas
It just-
matanda lang si Shang.
Makati and like Ortigas version. Yeah.
Right. How about you? What's your spirit
Spirit mall. It has to be the one and only town.
Down. Oh, are you
As
South,
a, as a
kid?
South
Oh,
kid,
South kid.
don't you go talk to me with that ATC shit. If you say ATC, we can't be friends.
Okay, here's one thing I gotta ask about town. Because so many people are commenting in my mall videos. Oh, sana si town, sana si town. Okay, like as a person, who would town be? You? Are you like the town mascot?
Actually, no nga eh. I feel like
I don't see a lot of Juds there.
Who's the personification of Alabang Town Center?
Di ba Molito din? Like sila lang yung...
Iba
No,
rin.
I know
Iba
the,
rin si
I know the
Molito.
personality of
Different.
Molito. Molito is like the chill guy, like ganun, like
Oh.
pare, like wanna drink
Yung
some
tatambay
wine.
ng poblasyon
Ralph's,
pag
pare,
nandito.
Ralph's G.
Pero
Like
mas
that,
put
that's it.
together ata si Molito. I think
Yeah.
sa town, oh my God, I almost said Alabang Town Center. Oh,
Which is like
I was
a crime. Is
kicked
that a
out
crime?
of the South community, man. I feel like I see a lot of people who are more laid back there kasi they came from AAV lang, Ayala Alabang
What's it?
Village.
Okay,
Fuck.
I
They
don't know
walked
any of
there
this.
or they drove there, they had their Yaya drive the golf cart there. And minsan Crocs or chinelas lang sila. Kahit like mayaman sila and
Are
everything.
That's
they
a
like-
great insight.
Are they Juds? Like, what do they look like?
They came from Sabel.
No,
at least.
here's my question. Like, I have been to town a few times as like a DLSU kid who's like immersed in like Southeast, but I'm from QC. So my observation with town, which you brought up, ang dami nakapambahay.
Yes.
Like everyone in town is in pambahay, and this is
Okay.
like supposedly like the chill elite class of people.
Chill elite.
That's what I heard. That's what I
Okay.
heard. I'm not sure if it's true. People from town, feel free to correct me. But like, that's why they're so like lax in town because it's like their backyard.
Yes, exactly.
That's why they'll just wear
why.
sando. They'll wear boxers to town, you know?
Okay.
They just came from playing Ultimate Frisbee sa Cuenca, and then it's
Yeah.
time to get some,
I'm not gonna pretend to know what
burgers at
Cuenca
town.
is, but okay.
Oh, sorry.
Having
The
said
park.
that though, nandito na tayo sa segment natin na tinatawag kong Who's on your list?
Who's on your list?
Pero for this episode, gusto ko siya baguhin ng konti.
Whoa, shake it
Kasi,
up.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of people, na-realize ko, hindi naman sila kasing vindictive as me.
Okay.
Na parang hindi naman sila, alam mo yung nagtatanim ng galit.
So are you saying we are not vindictive?
Are you?
Depends on the topic.
I know,
okay.
Sometimes you try really hard to make McCoy Dubs evil.
Oo.
Parang he was just too good. Parang
And then suddenly, in the latter part of the episode, game na siya
You just need to warm up. You just need to warm up.
But for this one, let's start it, let's
Okay.
ease it up a bit.
Uh,
Who's on your list? Pwede ka ba magbigay ng top 3 malls of all time sa Philippines based on your own criteria?
And this is like all around. Walang specific category. Like,
Wala. Na parang, I think this is the greatest.
oh my gosh.
Hall
Like,
of Fame
Like,
GOAT.
Well,
cultural, alam mo yun.
obviously, I think Mega Mall is number 1.
Woo!
Because if you think of mall, sa Pilipinas, I'm sure Mall of Asia came in like later on, but like Mega Mall is like the classic one.
Okay.
You know, Mega Mall.
How old is Mega Mall pala?
I think Mega Mall is like
80s?
talaga?
or early 90s or late 80s. I'm not sure, but
Alam ko,
around-
80s.
SM North EDSA yung una, like 40 years ago, I think. That's SM North EDSA. But like Mega Mall like came around like later on. But Mega Mall is the one like, you need something, go to Mega Mall.
Yeah.
Because everything's there.
That's, yun yung parang nag-represent ng tagline nila na we got it all for
It's
you.
Mega Mall.
It's Mega Mall. They're
Yeah.
talking about Mega Mall.
Yeah.
Not North EDSA. Not MOA. It's Mega Mall.
And because Mega Mall is kidnapped.
Yep.
And like,
EDSA.
I'd say the reason MOA exists is just so para may Mega Mall yung Southeast. I think that's why. But like Mega Mall was first and they were like, okay, how do we tap the South market? MOA.
Right. MOA.
Actually.
And I think Mega Mall just has everything and it's like no matter what social class you are, I guess may parang hiding spot ka doon.
Meron.
Yeah.
May place for you. Kung gusto mong like...
This is not paid by Mega Mall, by the way.
Kung
Yeah.
gusto mo chill ka sa fashion hall. Kung,
Doon ka lang, di ba?
Kung gusto mo mag-bowling, katabi nun.
May IMAX,
May
di ba?
IMAX,
May IMAX, may ice skating rink, lahat na.
Oh,
May fully
tapos-
booked, may national, so pili ka na lang, di ba? Depende
Yeah.
sa taste mo. Di ba?
Diba? Pwede ka, kung gusto mong pumasok na naka-jersey, may food court. Diba?
Yeah.
So-
Kung gusto mo mag-blazer and suit, may parang like H&M area,
May H&M
Uniqlo.
area na
Yeah.
laging sale. What?
Yeah.
Diba?
And it's like everything you need in a mall, it's already in Mega Mall. And if you want to like, okay, here's where the second mall comes in for me. And this is my bias, personal bias. I'm like, if you think Mega Mall's too extroverted, too crowded,
yeah.
just walk the
Overstimulating.
Shang. Just walk the Shang. It's like 5-minute walk from Mega Mall.
So, siyang yung top 2.
I'd say top 2 and for a different reason. I'd say it's top 2 because it has what Mega Mall doesn't have, which is, in my opinion, peace and
Class.
quiet.
I mean, joke
peace and
lang.
quiet.
Joke lang.
You could
Quiet.
say class, but I don't want to get
Cultured
canceled.
people?
I don't want to get canceled. Actually, I have a draft in my phone about Mega Mall talking to Shang. I'll like post it eventually. But like basically like
People
I think
who smell good.
Who take a bath? Okay, no.
If it's
too
like-
much. It's too much.
if it's like people who take a bath, I'm like,
Who
let's circle
said
back.
that?
Let's circle back to that later.
That was the wind.
But I think like okay, so Shang is second place for me just because like they kind of like Elphaba and Glinda, in my opinion. Megamon and Shang, you know?
Okay.
They're like yin and yang. That's why they're beside each other.
Besties.
And Podium is just a like Saling Pusa.
Is Podium your top 3?
I would say no. My third one, and this is like to give some Makati representation, is Glorieta as a whole.
I thought you were
I
gonna
agree.
say- I thought you were gonna say plant.
It should be in your top 3.
No, not
Glorieta.
No, because to have Power Plant and Shang both in the top 3 is kind of unfair.
It's
It's like copy
redundant.
paste. Yeah. But like if you have Glorieta in there, it's like the Mega Mall of Makati. Weirdly, because like SM Makati is not Mega Mall at all. It's just like, oh, by the way, we also have one in
We
Makati.
also exist.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
also
They
have
gave
one in
up.
Makati.
Like we can't beat Glorieta.
Yeah, let's like a department store with some shops also. That's
Right.
SM Makati. But like Glorieta is like it's got everything for
Iconic,
you
no?
in the Makati area.
Plus, it's within CBD.
Yes, and actually, like what's so funny is it just like copy paste of Ortigas. Kasi yung Shang counterpart naman ng Glorieta, I think, is the Greenbelts.
Greenbelt. Yeah.
It's like kung gusto mo ng
Right.
social break
Yeah,
from
I see.
Glorieta, kung
Relocation
medyo
lang.
elitist ka, just walk past Landmark. Yun yung kapalit. You walk past that even cheaper place, then go to
Yeah.
the expensive place.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Who's the landmark of Ortigas naman?
I think the landmark of Ortigas.
Si St. Francis.
Galleria, pare.
Galleria.
Ah.
Galleria. But medyo social na ngayon Galleria mo yun
Kasi,
eh.
I would say, na Galleria, nasa gitna siya. Yes, hindi siya Mega Mall.
Yeah.
Yes, hindi siya Shang. Pero, if gusto mo magsimba,
Yeah. No, here's the
On
advantage.
Sundays.
Here's the advantage of Galleria for me. Like as a 90s kid, I think it had Dreamscape, and it also had like the big Toys R Us eventually. So like I think kids like Galleria.
I think,
That's the advantage of Galleria.
kasi that's my spirit mall naman.
Galleria,
Galleria.
Robinsons. Why is that?
Just because we moved in Metro Manila when I was in high school na eh.
yeah.
So I was in the province, Bulacan. Di mo masyadong province.
Yeah, it's like not that far.
It's
away.
right there, NLEX lang yun.
You're just trying to beat the Conyo allegations lang eh.
Oh, hindi ako konyo.
Uy, ang daming konyo sa Bulacan ah.
Madami nga.
Yeah.
To be
Because
fair.
that's where they buy houses, you know.
Yeah,
So-
kasi mas mura dun eh. So parang, nung pumunta ako Metro Manila, sa Pasig kami, ang pinakamalapit na mall, Gali, like 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So parang dun kami, after mag-EDSA Shrine, Simba, punta agad sa Galleria for dinner. So ganun yung routine namin before. We did that almost every week. Tapos naging
my gosh.
alam ko na lahat. Alam ko
LSGH
na
ka ba? LSGH ka?
Hindi, gagi. Don Bosco.
Don Bosco? And you would go to... Oh, actually,
That's weird
Mandaluyong
though.
din naman.
Yeah,
yung
Pasig
Don Bosco,
Quiapo
diba?
route din
Yeah,
yun
yeah.
eh. So parang yun yung ikaw anong spirit mall mo?
Town pa rin. And
Town,
I feel
town,
like,
town.
you really know it's your spirit mall if you memorize it like the back
In
of
and
your
out,
hand.
yeah.
Na parang you can tour people around, you can like take shortcuts. I feel so empowered.
Wala
when
kayo ahas dun eh. No?
Eh, Galleria.
Yeah.
The famous snake snory, which I don't know the origin of. I just know there's an urban legend that there's a
I
snake
think
in Galleria.
90s pa yun eh.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe Shang started that rumor. Who knows?
Yeah,
Diba?
maybe.
Just so more people would go to Shang.
No?
Ito yung like reputation ng Galleria nung 90s ako. As an AHS boy, Atenean boy, I would feel so outnumbered going to Galleria. Because it's tambayan ng LSGH and Povedans.
Yep.
Shit.
And some AC.
Yes,
got it.
I think
maybe.
AC girls just took over Greenbelt. That's their
They
like
travel all
tambayan.
the way. Okay.
No, because AC is like it's in Makati, Bel Air, right? Bel Air.
wait, you're right.
That's where Assumption is.
What
So, like-
school am I thinking of? What's
Saint something.
near
One of the
Gale?
saints.
One of the
One of the
One of the
schools.
saints.
Yeah. Near Gale, I just know LSGH and Poveda. Poveda's basically right beside Gale. So
Right.
it's their backyard.
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
Wait, naligaw na ba kayo sa mall?
All the time.
Nawala
All the
na kayo sa
freaking
mall?
time. Oh my gosh, I have one story.
Okay, game.
I was 3 years old. This is on my birthday in Mega Mall.
3 years old.
Yeah, on my third birthday in Mega Mall. I was just like so overwhelmed by all the gift options I could have in Toy Kingdom, right? So I was like following my dad, and I was looking around at all the toys, all the Legos I wanted to buy. Then I looked back at my dad, so I kept following him. Then this guy turns around. He's not my dad.
Oh, shit.
I remember it because it was traumatic. I was 3 years old, but it stuck with me. So I was like, where the hell is my family? And I started crying out of nowhere. And then these two young girls picked me up speaking Tagalog. Sorry, but I didn't know how to speak Tagalog.
Boy.
Yeah, I can't remember what they were saying. It was gibberish in my memory.
Nawawala ka, boy. Ganun?
Something like that. But they were young. I think
Wait
they're,
lang, what mall
they're
is this?
teenagers. Mega Mall.
Mega Mall siya.
The mall.
The Mega
Toys.
Mall.
In
Toys R
Toy
Us.
Kingdom.
Toy Kingdom.
Toy Kingdom is and then they brought me to the lost and found section.
What?
And then dude, kidnapping was at an all-time high in the 90s.
Yes,
Not
yes.
a laughing matter at all, but
Yep.
it was
And you
super
were an
serious.
English-speaking baby.
I was
ba?
like a pale English-speaking baby. I was hella pale as a baby. And then
damn.
so my mom and dad were thinking I'm a prime target, for kidnapping in this era. So they were panicking. I think my mom's hair and my dad's hair turned white that day. And then
How many hours?
dude, I think 1 to 2 hours. So pretty long.
Scary,
Pretty
friend.
long, scary, yeah. And then then great thing about Mega Mall, and this is not paid by Mega Mall for me to say, by the way. It's that they locked down the whole mall. No one could go in and out with a kid. If you had a kid, stay in the mall.
Nice!
Yeah.
Once it was reported.
Let's
Once it
go,
was
Mega.
reported. So even the parking, they're checking, is there a kid in the car? Ganon.
Shit!
And then,
Ganun rin ba ngayon?
I don't know why.
Dapat
Why is
better, no? It
No,
should be
actually,
better.
why is it less strict now?
Yeah.
Why is it?
Why is it? Wait lang attention lahat ng kidnapper na nakikinig.
Now's your time.
Pwede kayo matrace ngayon. Okay?
Yes.
If hindi nyo
Yan
alam,
kasi.
pwede kayo
Ngayon
matrace.
kasi may CCTV na everywhere.
The
Sa gali
robot.
kayo mangid na. Hindi, joke. joke.
Let's settle that out. Anyway, walang edit.
Top,
Walang
3
edit.
malls to kidnap.
Yeah.
No, but do you remember when we were kids? It was the news topic every
It
night.
is.
Kidnapping.
So, here's the thing. Nawala ako. I think 3 years old ka.
3 years old.
I was probably 4
okay.
or 5. So, nangyari to sa SM North.
All the
EDSA.
SMs have a representation in getting lost.
I'm not sure if Annex
Okay.
or North or the block. I'm not so sure. But probably Annex kasi yun yung pinakaluma.
Yeah.
So, doon kami sa department store. Namimili kami ng school supplies yata. And then the same thing happened. I was playing with yung laruan ko, si Gohan na malaki na.
Yeah.
Yung superhero Gohan sa Dragon Ball. Alam
It
mo
was
ba?
really Barbie.
Yes.
So, lalaro ko yun.
It was really Barbie.
Lalo ko yung ginaganon-ganon ko sa department store. And then akala ko, what happened to you? Akala ko, nusundan ko yung tatay ko.
Yeah.
And then pagkaganon ko, holy shit, hindi si Papa to.
Oh my gosh, we were living parallel
Oo.
lives right here.
So, I panicked. I looked around. Nowhere to be found
Yeah.
sila. And as a kid, ang laki sa'yo, di ba?
I know.
Parang ang laki ng mall sa'yo.
You know, I was trying to remember, was Mega Mall bigger when I was a kid? No, that's just, I was
the
1/3
same.
the size.
It's actually smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah. So parang may nakakita sa akin. I was sitting there. Alam mo yung ano ka lang, iniisip mo lang, hindi, babalik din sila. Alam mo yun?
Yeah. You
I
just
did not. I
give
did
up
not.
lang. Yeah.
Ginagaslight ko lang yung sarili ko.
I
na parang,
gave up. I
It
cried.
will work
fuck,
out.
I'll
cried
just
the whole
play.
time.
They will go back. And
Yeah.
then, 5
my God.
minutes, 10 minutes have passed. May lalaki lang lumapit sa akin na salesman doon.
Oh, thank God.
Buti talaga kasi alam ko may name tag siya. I forgot
Yeah.
his name. Pero sabi niya, you play me, I'll play the sales person.
Hello? Have you seen yung tatay ko?
Nawawala ka, boy. Ano pangalan mo?
Ako si Leland. Leland.
Naku, mukhang nakakatawa kapag laki mo, sir. O sige, liga, daling kita dun sa PA.
How do I know you're not a kidnapper?
May nimtag ako.
Sige.
Popoy. Oh,
Thank you,
Popoy.
Kuya Popoy.
What do you call me, Kuya?
Popoy.
Popoy. Okay, sige, tara, punta tayo doon. And then, punta kami sa where they announce
Yeah.
missing people. So, punta kami doon.
This is therapeutic roleplay for
Oh.
you guys, isn't it?
So, tinanong ako nung salesperson, ano pangalan mo? Complete name?
Ako si Leland Wyatt Lim. Sorry,
is that your
second
Sinabi mo
Are
yun.
you doxing Leland?
Fuck, bro! We can't edit that out!
Sorry, I'm only 4 years
Tatawagin ako Wyatt online.
I'm only 4 years old, forgive me.
Anyway, so sabi niya, niradyo yung tatay ko, calling the attention of Leland Wyatt Lim. A kid wearing striped shirt, brown shorts, and Adidas shoes. Something like that.
And you
And
were
then-
found. You were found.
I was
Thank God.
found.
Were your parents like breaking down, panicking, or they were
So,
chill?
I just saw my dad. Sabi niya, gano'n lang siya sa akin. No, like what dads do.
They want to play it cool. Like,
They
we
want to
didn't
play it
just
cool,
mess
but
up.
deep inside, tang ina yung anak ko na wala.
No, dude, in that era, in that kidnapping high era, like my parents were freaking out. And like when they found me, my mom was even like, "Why didn't you tell them any details about yourself?" And like here's the funny part. I am not joking. I said because they were speaking Tagalog. I didn't even know how to say Tagalog. I didn't speak
Tagalog.
Tagalog, poging Tagalog.
And I was crying the whole but you know the highlight of that like lost in Mega Mall story of mine is that I could choose anything in Toy Kingdom after that. My parents were like,
Fuck yeah!
choose whatever you want. You were lost. Choose whatever you want.
Hindi nangyari sa akin yun kasi mahirap kami dati.
Uy, hindi. Parang this was still like a pretty like big thing to spend on. Like a whole Lego set in that time.
But
Duplo pa.
we went straight home, I think.
Those were guilt Legos.
They were speaking
Tagalog.
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 This is my impression of, it's called Poging Tagalog.
What's
So,
Poging Tagalog?
sir, nawawala ka, sir, no?
Laging morning voice. No?
Yeah, it's that intentional croaking. So like, you know,
Girls can do it too.
Hindi ako bahala sa'yo, bro. Wala ka 4 years old.
Girls can do that though.
Yeah, can I order a Starbucks?
Oh yeah, they do
Pataas
that.
yung
It's
sa
like the
girls.
Valley Girl version.
Pag binaba mo, ano ka na? BGC accent.
I think it's kind of like the low effort like what do you call that
Valley
voice?
Girl?
Valley Girl voice. It's
LA?
very Assumption College.
Ooh.
No Assumption College.
Shots
It's like for example, no, it's just like it's what I hear, it's what I like observe. It's like for example like, are you going to Rockwell later?
Ganun ba assumption? Hindi ko alam yung...
Why does
that.
why does my girlfriend sound like that? Damn.
Is your girlfriend from Assumption?
No,
I don't
she-
think so.
She talks like that, like she has that register.
He doesn't. Medyo kalog siya eh.
No, it's kind of like the voice never stops. It's like there's a
You don't know where there's a period
there's a
or
perpetual
something.
sound.
May follow through.
Like for example, like so are you guys going this weekend? It's like the voice is always there. There's no pauses.
Right.
Right?
I'll keep that in mind.
I thought Tagalog was when I run out of Tagalog and I just say po all the time.
Oh, that's
thank you so
brilliant.
much po. Oh, can I
That's
para po
Tagalog.
dito? That's Tagalog.
I love that. Let's make that a thing. Hashtag Tagalog. It's like the
It's sub-Taglish.
entry level Taglish. Completely English and then po.
It's an effort.
Yeah, it's some effort.
Can
to be
I
Tagalog.
just like not to be hard on your parents, but how did they lose you guys? Like in a
Dude,
toy store.
When my parents were stressed kasi we didn't have that much money. And dalawa kami ng kapatid ko. I think 5, siya yata 2. Hindi ko na maalala yung ages namin eh. So, syempre, school season yun eh. So, bumibili ng school
They're
supplies.
getting what's needed.
Kinakram na nila lahat. So, yun yung situation. In my mind retrospectively, or baka naman it's just a normal.
Yeah.
Neglectful lang talaga sila. I don't know.
All right, what's
With
your
my
parents' excuse?
Because okay, what I recall is because I had 2 sisters at the time, but I'm not sure if they were with my parents.
They were
Okay,
distracting them.
so if my 2 sisters were with them, that's the reason. But if they were just alone, I think it's just because it's so easy to get lost in Toy Kingdom.
Mas
Honestly.
madali. Ang laki pa.
And the aisles are
Yeah.
so confusing.
I'm just saying this would never happen with a yaya.
Okay.
Yeah, true.
That's
No,
why
'cause,
bring
dude,
your yaya, man.
If a yaya fucks up losing a kid, it's like their head is gone, man.
Oh my
Also,
gosh.
if mawala yung yaya mo sa vision mo, madali mo siya makikita kasi terno yung suot niya.
Yeah, it's
yaya.
the yaya uniform, you know. It's the scrubs, the yaya scrubs.
Don't act like
I will not accept this yaya slander.
Why?
It's not
Yayas-
slander. It's the truth.
Make the world go round.
And who said they don't?
yeah.
But
They're
true.
amazing.
That is a common uniform.
What's your
common uniform? Yeah.
what are your favorite spots sa malls? Kasi pareho lang naman like yung format and structure and divisions ng malls.
I guess it depends on like the era I'm in life.
How about now? Like
Now I
saka
would
nag-chill.
Mga cafes to
dude
work.
cafe for sure.
Alright.
Either like a chill Japanese restaurant to eat or like a cafe to just talk to someone or chill.
Get some matcha.
Get some brunch with you. Because we're in that age, brunch or like merienda.
Yeah, dude, cafes
Alam
are
mo
the
yung
bomb.
weird? Sa Siang,
Yeah.
sorry, singit ko lang din. Di ba may elevator doon kung saan may nahulog dati?
Elevator? As in
Yeah.
nahulog? Wait,
Yeah.
elevator or escalator?
Escalator. Sorry.
Escalator.
Escalator.
I did
May
not expect
nahulog
that.
sa escalator.
Yeah.
Every time we pass by,
This is the Shang escalator, right?
Sabi
right,
niya,
right.
alam mo ba
Damn,
may
the
nahulog
con.
dati dyan? Every time. Na parang,
No, 'cause like-
nabalita ko ngayon.
Okay, don't quote me on this, but this is just what I read on the internet. It's like the PR teams of malls are just very quick at hiding this stuff. It
Galing
happens
talaga
more
sila.
often than you'd think.
Sabi ko na totoo yung ahas
Yeah. It's just because like
Every minute.
and I don't blame
someone falls.
I don't blame the malls because it's like, dude, no one's gonna keep going there if they know this happens so frequently. Right?
If these walls can talk,
If these
bro.
malls could talk.
If these malls can talk.
These malls could talk. That's literally my
Those
content
are
right now.
Two different songs. But did they ever? I'm not so savvy with yung Shang escalator. But
Yeah.
did they put guardrails? Na?
There are guardrails.
Ah, okay.
There's like acrylic
Yeah, okay.
blockages.
Same thing that
there.
happened to
And
town.
then yung iconic escalator from Mary Grace to fucking...
The ledge. It's
The
even
ledge.
called the ledge.
Yung ba yung tawag? The ledge.
There's like lettering there that says the ledge.
What?
I know, right? No, that's why I'm always facing my fears. Actually, this is kind of what jump started my mall content. It's like
Yeah, I saw
I
that.
was bored in Shang like one Sunday. I was like, I want to make a TikTok. I haven't posted a TikTok in a week. I'll just share one about like how scared I am of the Shang escalator and how I'm conquering my fears every time. And I did not anticipate everyone related to it.
It did look scary in your point of view.
it's
Like
hella
it's so high up.
You feel like a freaking ant when you're on that thing.
Yeah, nakakatakot.
Speaking of more mall stuff,
More malls.
Sige.
if
ano
you
pa?
want to like take a girl out on a date, what are the best spots in a mall for you guys to bring them to? Like if you were to design 3 stops.
Wait, but what age am I? It's gonna determine.
fuck.
Kasi right now,
Gonna determine.
pag like labas kami on a date, we just watch. Actually, best cinema ngayon sa... Cinemas yung mas iniisip ko
Yeah,
ngayon.
cinemas.
Which mall
Right.
has the best cinema?
Oh, Glorieta now, just newly renovated.
Ganda.
It's so nice, dude.
Okay, Glorieta.
And there's like
let's go.
it's all lazy boys. I think now
Okay.
the thing with mall cinemas now is sa sobrang lugi nila sa streaming. Like, dude, streaming wins. You can watch anything, anytime
Right.
for half the price. So they have to leverage where they can, which is like experience. So now, dude, all the mall cinemas are renovating, making their seats lazy boy, may libreng popcorn, libreng tubig na, diba?
That's true.
Right.
So it's really
Gateway.
the date thing to do.
Cineplex.
Gateway.
Yung may Wolfgang...
Yes.
Ano, kaso... Oh.
No, I think the ultimate date cinema, just because it's simple and like a staple, is Power Plant.
Power Plant.
Power Plant
It's really
is
nice,
the
yeah.
Classic eh.
It's classic. It's not too fancy,
Ang
but it's perfect.
Sobrang sarap pumila. Hindi naman sobrang sarap, pero sobrang
Convenient. What do you say?
convenient and nostalgic in a way. Pumila sa Power Plant Cinema sa taas, sa tabi ng
Yes.
Coffee Bean. Kasi sila yung mapapaganong ko. Oh. Kasi may screen sa taas.
And it never changed.
It never changed. Diba? Tapos may walkway pataas.
I think that's
elevated siya.
Exactly, and that's the advantage of Power Plant is di sila na addict sa renovation. So it's like
Right.
you feel at home, right? It never changed.
Saka masarap popcorn nila.
Yeah, that is like
Hindi
the
siya
highlight.
taters
Yeah, it's just
Hindi-
the Power
Pero
Plant
masarap
popcorn.
Power Plant popcorn.
Yeah.
Pero
Yun pala.
theaters goated.
Oh naman.
yeah.
Goated talaga
The
ang
chicken
taters.
sandwich, the turkey burger, I think
Huh?
in Taters is so good.
Oh shit, I never tried
I
those.
love it.
I tried the poppers.
May
chicken.
time na chinatsaga ako na lang manood sa galleria kasi may taters sila. At
Right.
malapit. Pag yung cinema, walang taters, medyo ayaw mo nang manood doon.
Yeah, it's just like watch at home. You know,
Yeah.
what's the difference?
Kasi the thing with taters, if you're listening, taters people,
Please sponsor us.
Yes, we love Taters.
ayokong orderin siya sa Grab kasi hindi nila sinaserve yung buttered version, yung totoong buttered version na pinupur na ganun.
Yeah. And hindi na siya mainit.
Hindi na
Dude,
siya
hindi na siya
mainit. So, makukuha mo lang siya sa cinema.
Yeah.
Tatanungin ka pa, ilang ilang additional butter po? Isa lang, tapos makikita mo, ginaganon nila. Tapos mainit.
So good, man. It's potato corner or taters. It's like the
Combo.
the goated cinema snack, I think.
Yeah.
Right now in Opus,
Sour
there's like
cream
a
and cheese.
whole potato corner
Amen.
store.
Amen.
In Opus.
Sour cream.
Sour
and
cream?
cheese.
Oh, I love the cheese one though. I can't
Can't go wrong.
I can't go wrong with the cheese.
Isang tera.
Potato
Alam mo
corner.
yun?
There, yeah, it's like that's where I
Miga.
knew what it was called. The giant bowl
Terra?
in potato corner. Love that stuff.
Sobrang haba ng pila doon lagi. Kaya if manonood ka ng movie, kailangan mo siya bilhin at least 20-30
Ahead of
minutes
time.
before.
Yes.
Kasi mauhuli ka sa movie theater. Anyway, andito na tayo sa segment natin
Uh-huh.
that we call unfiltered take.
Unfiltered takes.
So,
Whoa, you
eto,
know the soundbite too?
No,
Are
I was
you
just like, I was just reacting.
Are you
Hey.
familiar with...
I
with
have
our work?
a general understanding of it. Yes,
Man.
in previous episodes.
Basically, these are just random takes. Pwedeng pet peeves. Pwedeng, some sort of itch na gusto mo lang kamutin. Bring it out of your system. Get it off your chest. Any take at all.
Oh, here I have one take.
Bilis ah!
Wow,
Oh,
alright.
just because I think it's a hot topic for our generation actually.
Okay.
For our
Okay.
age group right now.
Alright.
I think like if you have a bachelor party to celebrate your last night of freedom, don't get married, bruh. Don't do it.
Ooh!
100% agree.
It's because like okay, you're looking at marriage as your future jail.
Oh,
Wag na
why
lang,
are
diba?
you celebrating
Wag
the
na
last
lang.
day before it?
Yeah.
No?
I see why that's the case.
No, and especially okay, depends on your treatment,
That's
I guess,
true,
of your
no?
bachelor party. Like for example, you're getting together with your friends, doing what you always love doing. Like for example, watching movies, playing board games. Okay, green flag bachelor party. But if you're looking at your bachelor party as like your last chance to get some kitty,
Some fornication.
from some other women. I'm like, why are you getting married?
Why are you
then?
getting married?
Stop. It's like you're marrying the wrong person. Because like if you're gonna marry the right person, you would not want to do that.
You want to get married kaagad.
Yeah.
Like,
Right.
Can't wait for that
Right.
day.
Yeah, and you're like last day of freedom. That's why like I think the whole glorification of Hangover, the movie in our time, was a bad decision by media for our generation. Because
Right.
it's also because like we're the generation also that in high school we all looked up to Barney Stinson, which was hella wrong.
Oh, no.
looking
Grabe,
back.
no? Grabe
It was
yung...
so wrong.
The toxic male. Even younger, si Drake Bell from Drake and
Yeah.
Josh. He would just
He
make
was
out
the
with a
cool-
random
He was
girl.
the cool kid.
Yeah,
but
and
now,
Josh was the loser.
oh my gosh, if you ask kids now who's cool in Drake and Josh, they'll say Josh is cool.
Mas gusto nila si
Oh,
Josh.
Yeah.
He got like an internship
Pero right
kaagad.
after that Nickelodeon shit came out,
Yeah, we all felt bad
we're
for
back
Drake, man.
to like and Drake.
Yeah, we all felt
Okay
bad
ka
for Drake.
pala dun!
Yeah, we're like, I feel bad for you, man. It's chill.
Yeah.
I understand why you acted that way. it was written. That's
yeah,
why.
the writers
Yeah.
are the problem.
I agree with that take though. Yung sa bachelor's party. But only because of the bachelor parties that are being glorified na you should have strippers.
Yeah, misogynistic bachelor.
Yeah, labo
misogynistic
yun, man.
bachelor
Yeah.
parties. But I think we should not reinvent but
Rebrand.
Rebrand.
Something that sounds more
bachelor
healthy.
parties. Na parang, kasi to me, kaya naman na-invent yata ang bachelor party is for you to, before going into marriage, kumbaga, paano ba to sabihin ng hindi ako makakancel?
No, just like I guess like your last night to act single. I guess.
Pero why would you
Yun yung
want to
mali
act
eh.
single?
I'm with
yeah.
you dun sa point na yun eh.
Which
Pero
I don't
may
like.
fiancé
if you
ka.
want to,
Oh.
if you want to act single, don't
Don't get married.
Don't get married.
Don't get
Don't
engaged.
even get together with that girl.
Or
if
don't get a
that's
girlfriend,
the
yeah.
main point of a bachelor's party, then I agree with you.
Yeah.
Na don't have bachelor's.
Yeah, you're gonna end up in a divorce, bro. Like,
Yeah.
stop it.
But I think we should rebrand them as,
Good times with the boys.
Good times with the
Yeah.
boys.
Actually,
Watch a comedy show.
yes.
No
Diba?
cooties allowed.
It's doing what you want to do.
yes, no girls allowed party. It just like, for example, it's when boys can be boys, but in a healthy way.
No strippers
yeah,
too.
Here's
no.
the thing. I think
Male strippers pwede.
Boys will be boys, but in a fun way, childish way. you
Right.
know?
Bakit?
Watch SpongeBob. Binge watch SpongeBob. You know.
Yeah.
bakit pag may cake yung ano tawag sa female version?
Bachelorette.
Bachelorette party.
Bachelorette party. Pagka may cake with a cock.
No, but you know.
Why is it so acceptable?
Here's my hot take on that.
Why is it acceptable?
Here's my hot take on that.
Yeah, that's true.
Cute though when girls
Okay.
are acting
So
like
is it okay for me to have a cake with the boobs
no.
on top?
You see,
See?
no.
Or like for me, feet. Sorry. I mean, that's an example.
Cakes.
It's not a personal.
No, you know-
it's not a personal preference.
No, you know what I think is like I think they kind of earned that.
Okay.
They've been through too much suffering, too much sexism.
Okay,
Like,
that I agree.
you can have that.
That I
To
agree.
liberate.
Pero,
liberating.
in the terms of bachelor and bachelorette parties, parang, I agree with you na parang, if you really need to act single for one last
Wag
night,
na. Gago.
wag na.
Yeah.
Diba? You have your whole life before
Yeah.
for that.
Before getting together.
Na parang, that's
Yeah.
I'm okay with that take.
You know,
I super agree.
you know
Even
why
the name.
You know why I'm okay with the dick cakes for the girls, and even like the cupcakes that say "last dick of your life" or something like that. It's because like those kinds of girls, most of the ones I see, they're really not gonna have a male stripper at the party. They're not.
No,
they're
bro.
not. They're not gonna do that. Shit.
You disagree? You disagree?
Yeah, I know.
They do that shit?
I know
Uh,
bachelorette parties who, have, male strippers.
My girlfriend would hate that.
There's
shit.
a police officer that comes to the door.
Yeah, there's a whole category on Pornhub
that
about
they watch.
that they watch.
Why do you know this?
Because I've been online a lot.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, you
you're
mean
under
like? Oh wait,
arrest.
no. I think it's called like hen party or something like that.
Hen
party.
I think it's called hentai.
Well, that's a whole different category.
Oh, okay. Sorry, that's wrong.
No, but
Yeah.
like, and I think
Family
it's a very
price?
Western concept. I think because our advantage as being like conservative Pinoys is it's so weird actually to have a stripper. Or like it's so unheard of.
Yeah.
Because
Hindi
like
tayo,
it's our culture so much.
Yeah, kaya nag-close yung mga strip club dito. Kasi hindi rin siya ganun ka. I'm not saying that we should bring them back. But hindi rin ganun ka. Hindi rin yung trip ng mga tao ngayon.
I'd say like puro foreigner pa nga yung customers nila eh.
Right.
Yeah.
Puro puti.
Because Pinoys aren't all about that stuff. They do conservative.
Okay. What's your take?
Okay, ito na. I tried to make it a kind of related to Conyos because we have Rocco on. All right, my take is companies should stop hiring puro Conyos in their company.
What?
Because I know some companies na I hear na parang they only hire from the Conyo schools.
The big five.
Big
Let's include
four,
UANP.
big five.
Big
Hold on.
five,
And then I find out, oh, my friend works there too. Oh, my other friend works there too. Huh? But lahat kayo nandun? Parang it became like a mini next college. After
Baka naman yun yung expertise
Yeah.
nila.
I
You don't
will
think
be
so?
like devil's advocate here to that opinion.
Go.
It's just because like we don't have a choice. That's the network.
Yeah.
And it's not like they're gonna filter out people like, porque big four ka, bawal.
But
Kasi if your company is big on good communication, if you're dealing with foreign clients who you need to speak to every day, you need someone with an Ateneo, LaSalle
Yeah.
kind of vibe.
And I wouldn't say it's because they're from Ateneo and LaSalle, but it's just because that's the kind of kids they produce. You know, that would work in that environment.
Ako, I would say that because it's
It's because
the
of that.
Yeah.
schooling.
it should be your lifestyle eh. You can't
Actually, they're kind of like fraternities in a way.
yeah.
Which
I
one?
would
The
say like
schools?
the schools are kind of like
Okay.
fraternities, but like not. I wouldn't say in a toxic way. It's just like the brotherhood or like the family vibe they have. Like, oh, you're from my school. Okay, you're in.
You're
I trust you.
May ganun,
You're in.
may ganun din,
It's like
may
school
ganun.
racism.
Why?
You know?
Why do you think we should?
Pero I disagree na parang just because you're from a big 5, big 4, big 3 school na you're magaling at communications. Like, I like to believe not all
I get it.
That's so true. Though.
Englisheros are Conyos.
Yes,
All Conyos
STI.
might be Englisheros.
No,
Yeah, other schools.
I've met people who studied in, not the big
Not
four.
the big
Na
four.
sobrang Englishero.
Sobrang namimistake ko sila.
Very competent and
Yeah.
very skilled. And I feel like there's beauty in diversity talaga na parang different walks of life, different backgrounds, different mindsets.
Joke lang, STI, boss.
All
Fly
exchange.
high!
Isn't that
Not really their
Atenean
thing?
thing?
Is that their
Fly
thing?
High Ateneo?
Fly high, STI.
Talaga? See, there's a lot in common between
Yeah.
Ateneo and STI. So,
Soar high.
one big
Diba?
five.
Arrow.
It's like off-brand, off-brand Conyo school.
But see,
STI.
we wouldn't know that if we didn't have these people work together, exchanging views,
True.
exchanging perspectives from their different backgrounds in life.
Progressive, ah.
For example, like yung, kunyari, yung...
So should there be like a token STI hire for
Yeah.
company?
I'm like saying you can ease into it, companies. Like you don't have to do konyo. You can do konyo, taga-tondo, konyo. Parang ganun,
Pero so may token parate. Token na non-Conyo
just to
hire.
mix up kasi they can learn a lot of things. For example, the Conyos can learn Tagalog from their non-Conyo employees, while the non-Conyo employees can learn
Here's
na
the thing.
masarap magluto ng baon si Yaya.
I think you can never learn Conyonism.
Yeah, it's like you're born into it.
You're
kind
born into it. It's not something you can hone. It's within you. It's part of you. It's in your DNA.
We're making it so deep.
No, it is.
Yeah.
You don't have to be Conyo though. Like I think companies can benefit from non-Conyos.
I think
They
you mean
add
like
a lot.
Yeah, for sure. There's
diversity hires.
maintenance. There's I don't know, HR. There's operation.
I mean, they don't have to speak English.
Oh my gosh.
Joke lang po, joke
They're gonna
lang.
hate us even more now.
joke lang. Pero yeah, I know what you mean. Na parang they should stop focusing on schools who they think would fit their company.
No, but I
Yeah,
also
yeah.
think like it's purely coincidental too. Like first they'll see the application and then like, nagkataon pala at Triento or Lasal. Kasi wala, just the I guess the kind of person the
Maybe.
credentials they're looking for.
Maybe.
Like
Yeah.
ang daming orgs and like I think okay, here's the unfair advantage naman of these like big four schools is their internships look nice on paper. It's because
They
these
get more
they get better
opportunities.
internships.
Because
Yeah.
they know design.
And like for example the
Your
parents of
Yeah.
these kids already work at those companies. It's
Yeah.
a cycle, you know. Like
Wag kang
there's
ganyan, bado yan.
There's no breaking it.
Other taste, I guess.
Graduate ka ng Ateneo Ba't mukhang ano yung ano mo?
Actually,
CV mo. It
they,
matters.
they do speak like that.
Yeah.
There's just the design of the CV.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna make you hired or not. Like for example, you could have a very impressive CV, pero yung layout niya parang
Yes.
it's not Canva. You know what I mean?
It's presentation matters more. Kasi you're battling with, hundreds of
Yeah.
CVs
So it's a
na
quick
nakalagay
judgment
doon.
dapat.
You have to stand out.
And you know what's so much better is like don't get hired through your CV. Like show up,
Yeah.
actually talk to the guy. You have a advantage now over all of the papers stacked there in their
Yeah,
office. Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, I agree.
Oh,
Agree.
Diversity. Diversify the.
You wanna hear
emails.
mine?
What's your hot take, Linan?
Ito simple lang sa akin. Tingin ko, mali yung connotation na ang mga babaeng Pinoy ay chismoso. Dahil tingin ko, mas chismoso ang mga lalaki
Okay.
kesa mga babae.
Agree.
Why though? What's your proof?
Lahat ng talk show hosts sa showbiz,
Okay.
all males.
Boy Bunda.
Do you think this is just like
Conan O'Brien, David Letterman, Boy Abunda, OG Diaz.
maybe
and-
there's a different factor here than being chismoso? Maybe it's the ability to like
Or they give
Yeah,
more
but
opportunities.
even
lead
so,
the conversation.
yun yung pinili mong career path eh.
Pero ito, bakit ang dami pa rin talk shows na babae pero ibang time slot?
You wanna know
You
why?
notice why?
Because
Paggabi lalaki.
kasi mas magaling mag-chismis ang lalaki, I think.
They're able to bring
Mas
it out
juicy magtanong, mas personal sila, mas gusto nilang silipin yung tao ng ng ibang tao.
more. Okay.
Yun yung napapansin ko.
Wait.
Even sa mga hosts.
I kind of get this though. I kind of get where you're coming from. If you notice all the shows where talk show host yung babae, it's like softer topics.
It's
Yes.
more peaceful.
yeah, peaceful. If it's like invasive, very pakialamero
Yung
vibe,
lalaki.
it's a guy asking it.
Yeah.
In terms of interviewing and maybe investigating, would you say kasi yung
Si Ian
manly
Gaza.
testosterone would
See who?
Si Ian Gaza,
Ian Gaza?
you don't know si
Do
Ian
enlighten
Gaza.
me.
So
the
yung
guy with
content
the
niya
mall?
ngayon is parang
Ay.
source siya ng media
Mhm.
na mga happenings na hindi natin alam. It's like the modern day parang OG Diaz or something.
Is he on like TikTok or TV?
Ano siya? Like sikat siya online.
Okay.
Sa mga vlogger yata siya before eh. Pero doon siya parang sumikat. Sikat siya ngayon kasi alam niya lahat ng mga tea.
Okay.
So I
Alright.
would consider myself as a chismoso in a way. Kasi whenever there's tea, fuck, di ako makatulog.
Dude.
Kaya-
okay.
So
Ito
much
yung
dopamine.
chismis groups naming comedians,
Yeah, man.
I think nasa 7.
And mostly male-dominated yung scene.
Male-dominated
And
nga!
I'm so surprised nga ang chismosa ng mga comedians.
Sobrang chismoso.
No, you know
naman.
why? I think, okay, here's why I think you're right about this. It's because like, wala silang pake if they're talking about tea. With the girls, I noticed patago yung tea. It's always like,
Oh, that's
did
why.
you hear this happened to like this boyfriend? When it's guys, it's like, wait, did you hear like this guy cheated on like this girl?
Right,
It's like
right.
open. It's like they don't care
Normal
who
siya.
knows. They don't
Yeah,
care who
very
knows.
casual.
Pero with girls, it's like patago. Here's the
Maybe.
tea. Here's the tea.
Yeah. Those are good
I
takes.
see the point. Now they're like unapologetic about being chismoso.
I think it's because of our male privilege, no? Na we don't have to worry so much about how society views us.
You're not shamed for being pakilamero. It's just
Yeah.
like, oh, he cares.
Yeah.
And we're game to fight. Parang, okay, I don't care if I lose friends by
But
spreading tea.
What
parang
I
ganon.
hate is the stereotype.
Ah,
Baka,
na
or
babae.
baka ganun ba dati? Na pagdating sa chismis, mas
Where did that
No,
stereotype come from?
you know where
no?
the Marites stereotype comes from? It's like my sociology prof pointed this out to me in college.
Let's go.
So it's because I'm removing accountability for this opinion from myself. It's because all the men were at the office in the 50s, 60s, like working, and housewives yung mga babae.
Okay.
And when they're done with like,
More
the house, it's more time
time.
to talk to the neighbors about what happened.
But they don't know na nakikichismis din yung mga lalaki habang nagtatrabaho.
No, you know why? Because the lalaki chismis is they're making the chismis. They're doing the adultering. You know what I mean?
Ah,
So, like,
yung topic.
they're the topic. And like the
Okay,
women
gets.
talk about it at home.
I just hate this stereotype.
True,
Kasi I
yeah.
don't see it enough.
So,
I'll believe the tama yung stereotype if I see it. But what I see is the other thing around. Na parang lalaki yung mga chismoso.
tama si Rocco. Baka it was true in the 50s.
Yeah.
In the Mad Men era.
Hindi mo na mabago.
It just became the stereotype.
Yeah.
Pero
But it's not
baka
true
now
anymore.
it's not true. Yeah.
Now,
true anymore.
na-debunk na natin na hindi
Yeah.
yun totoo.
I think-
Staplers.
I think like the more free time you have, the more time you're chismoso. I think that's the
Right.
that's the like universal truth.
Right. Well, those, okay yung takes natin. Pero dito na tayo sa last part ng show. So, tinanong namin yung previous guest namin.
Mhm.
Si James Karaan, yung previous guest namin.
Oh, okay.
Kailangan niyang tanungin ka, yung guest namin ngayon, ng isang question. Ano nga yung tanong niya?
If you had one family member you don't want to be related to, sino ba? Parang hindi ask
Sino?
sino and bakit?
Family member like
Like, is it...
in my immediate family?
Could be
Kahit basta part of your family.
Yeah.
And why?
parang you
Should I
wish
give
you
like
were
a
in.
general answer? Like for example, sister or brother.
Pwede.
Or mom.
Oh.
Well, this is such a deep question.
This is a hard
though.
question,
Why
actually.
wouldn't you
Ako
want
hindi
to
ko
be
alam eh.
related
Pero
to-
marami na naisip.
Uh,
You can be vague.
No, because like I can't
You
give
don't have
enough
to name.
backstory to why I would make this decision.
You can.
But like,
I guess you don't have to say their role. Like you don't have to say sister, brother, uncle. It could be like this person because.
no, actually, my youngest sister, and it's for a good reason. It's
Whoa!
for a good reason.
Ah, okay,
It's
okay.
for a good reason.
Watch out,
actually.
sis.
I have faith in Rocco.
It's because like she's kind of like my best friend, regardless of being related to. So like,
Damn.
even if we're not related, I'll like still be close with her. So like,
she'll still feel like a sister.
So if you were to like not be related with anyone from your family, it'd be your sister
yeah, my
because
youngest sister. Just because
you'd be
we don't
friends
need
anyway.
it. We don't need the
Okay.
the family bond.
Okay yung ano niya.
Ganda nga.
It's positive. Like it's okay. We're not related.
This guy-
we act related.
he's a professional.
Bibili na tayo ng
PR
conversation
trained.
PR,
acrobat.
PR trade.
Grabe.
parang you
Okay,
guys
I'll
are-
take that. I'll
Okay,
take
okay.
that.
Kunwari you guys are like soul sisters, soul siblings.
Yeah,
So
we're
no
soul
matter
siblings.
if walang blood.
We don't need to be related.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that you've answered that, kailangan mo magtanong sa next guest namin ng isang question. You don't know who's our next guest
Okay.
is. Pero kailangan mo siya tanungin ng isang question na kailangan niya sagutin next episode.
Okay, if you were the opposite gender for a day, what's the top 5 first things you do as soon as you wake up?
Oh, fuck!
Damn.
Top 1. What's
All
the
right.
first thing you do?
Watch out.
Yeah.
And with that,
Ganda.
that wraps up our episode. Before we go, Rako, thank you for your
Yes.
time. Time talaga.
Thank you,
pleasure,
broski.
actually. My pleasure, my pleasure.
Thank you sa time.
Yeah.
It's an
Time
honor,
is
man.
very valuable. Do you want to promote anything?
I would say like as an ADHD brained human being, I don't know what to promote next, but like so just if you want to check out what I'm doing or know what I'm up to, just follow at Racobel. That's on TikTok, Instagram, and you'll see what I'm up to there.
All right. Rako Bell. What else? What else do we say?
If you see Rocco in the mall, say hi.
Say
Yes.
hi. Hey,
Yeah.
what up, Mr. Shank?
Actually, you know what's so funny? Like nowadays, I've like dug my own grave. Every time I'm in a mall, like people are like, "Are you the mall guy?"
Are you the mall
I'm
guy?
like, "What have I done to
Mall
myself?"
guy?
The mall guy.
Meron na. Hindi mo pinakinggan, Gab? Hindi nakikinig si
Oh
Gab.
no,
What
our
is that? What
producer
did he say?
just
Sabi niya,
revealed.
tanungin mo na si Rakos ng next question. Sabi ko, tapos na.
He just woke up. He's like,
And with that, yun ang signal namin. Wala nang edit-edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.